Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to manage return and exchange in Odoo 20. Let's dive into the sales module and let's create a new quotation. We have to fill out the customer and let me choose the product. So here I would like to choose a product as acoustic block screen, and you can find that we just need to set the quantity. Later on, I'll be confirming this. And after the confirmation, you can see 3 quantities are not available. Let's try with 1 quantity. And yeah, still the product is not available. So let me change the product. I want a product which is having sufficient quantity. So let's move on to black embroidered t-shirt. Yeah, let's add it. And we have the quantity over here. Now let's confirm it, and later on, you can see that we just need to deliver the item. So here you can find the promised delivery, and the promised delivery date is visible over here. And let me just go to the delivery over here, and we can deliver the item upon the validation. You can see that the delivery is done. Now, when the product is received to the customer is not need to keep the item with them. So in such cases, they will just choose the return option. So when the customer try to return the item, you can see that we can set the demanded quantity that need to return over here. So afterwards, we can just set it as mark as to do. So in Odoo 20, you can see that when the customer try to return the item, they will be getting 2 options. Either they can return the item or exchange the item. So here you can see that we have a dedicated button to manage the exchange of the item, and we can choose the button so that even if the customer wants to return the item, when they just get the option of exchanging the item, they will think whether they need to return the item or whether they want to exchange the item. So we can just go ahead with the exchange option, and Odoo will let you to exchange the item. In order to just go ahead with the exchange process, we can choose the validate button, and you can see that now the exchange has happened over here. So it's that simple to manage with the exchange in Odoo 20. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.